Alright, so what did you just tell me?
So when I finished my dinner and before I washed the dishes, I said that
This food is gross, right?
no.
Oh,
So I said that it was good, and then I felt like I should be eating more of it.
why?
Because usually when we eat other foods, not vegetables and chicken that's cooked in good stuff, we usually eat more than one plate full.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't even finish my plate.
Okay, and what did you tell me about your belly?
I said that there's a weird feeling in my stomach. Well, there's a feeling in my stomach, but it feels good. And I think that's because, what are we on, our third day or second day?
Second day.
We're on our second day of keto. So it's working.
How was your first day in your brand new school?
It was fabulous.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was better than I was expecting.
Mm-hmm.
I have no clue why, but yeah, at the beginning I was really shy, which is unusual. I'm not a shy person now, am I? I'm always chatting and talking and it being me and being fabulous. Like, look at this. God. Anyways, so in the beginning, I was as shy as something.
You don't even know.
Yeah, I was just very, very shy, which is very unusual. And then after an hour or so, getting used to everything and stuff, I was getting more comfortable and stuff. So I started talking, and so I was talking with this girl named Cameron, and we were talking. She showed me around the school a little bit, the part that we're not past the stairs, but in the area that we're in.
Yeah.
And stuff like that. And so it was really cool. And I sat next to her at lunch, and she showed me how the hot lunch works just in case. And so, yeah. And she showed me around the playground and told me the rules and stuff. And so now we are friends.
Awesome. Alright, say goodnight.
Good night, peeps. Bye.
Boing.